In a quiet corner of Lagos, something radical is happening. No noise, no hype, no Twitter threads. While everybody yaps about Web3 on social media, a different story is unfolding in Lagos, Nigeria. A group of young Africans are mastering the craft, not in a Silicon Valley accelerator, not in a European research lab, but in a training hub in Lagos, designed not just for learning, but for transformation. Welcome to Web3bridge, where Africa's blockchain architects are being built. For years, Africa has been part of the global Web3 conversation, but mostly as users, trading crypto, participating in communities, exploring opportunities. But building the infrastructure, writing smart contracts, contributing to global protocols, that requires structured education, mentorship, and deep technical training, and that kind of access has historically been limited. Yet Africa has one of the youngest, fastest growing tech populations in the world. The potential was always there. What was missing was the bridge. In 2019, Awosika Israel Ayodeji founded Web3bridge with a simple but powerful goal: train African developers to become world-class blockchain engineers, not influencers, not speculators, builders. What started as a learning community soon evolved into a structured bootcamp program designed to take developers from curiosity to competence. And over the years, that vision has scaled. Since inception, over 3,000 people have been introduced to Web3 concepts through community sessions and programs. More than 1,000 developers have been trained directly and indirectly. Web3bridge has run 10 plus successful Web3 cohorts, but numbers alone don't tell the full story. Graduates have gone on to work with respected global blockchain organizations like Polygon, Consensus, Nethermind, etc. This isn't theoretical knowledge, it's talent export at a global level. The flagship program at Web3bridge is a 16-week Web3 bootcamp. Students go deep into blockchain fundamentals, Ethereum architecture, smart contracts, Solidity programming, art and foundry development frameworks, NFTs, zero-knowledge proofs, blockchain security. This isn't surface-level exposure, it's rigorous engineering training. And interestingly, Web3bridge also runs a 6-month Web2 development program. Because before developers can build decentralized systems, they must first master core programming fundamentals like JavaScript, React, Node.js, and backend systems. It's a layered approach: foundation first, then specialization. What truly separates Web3bridge from many online programs is this: it built a physical home. In Lagos, Nigeria, Web3bridge launched Africa's first dedicated Ethereum community hub, a space where developers don't just log in, they show up. Here, students attend in-person workshops, collaborate on real projects, join hackathons, network with mentors and peers, work side by side with other builders. This physical presence turns isolated learning into community-driven growth. And perhaps one of the most unique aspects, Web3bridge provides on-site accommodation for selected students. That means some learners live within the training ecosystem. They eat, code, collaborate, and grow together. It creates immersion. It reduces distractions. It allows talent from different regions to relocate temporarily and focus fully on development. Few Web3 initiatives in Africa offer that level of structural support, and as interest grows, Web3bridge continues expanding its facility, increasing workspace, improving infrastructure, and scaling capacity. This is long-term ecosystem thinking. Education alone isn't enough to grow an industry, so Web3bridge also organizes Web3 Lagos Conference, a multi-day gathering that brings together developers, founders, investors, blockchain enthusiasts. With over 1,500 attendees and 50-plus speakers in past editions, the event blends workshops, hackathons, panels, and networking. It strengthens the pipeline from student to contributor, from learner to founder. Web3 isn't just another tech trend, it's infrastructure, financial infrastructure, identity infrastructure, ownership infrastructure. If Africa is going to participate meaningfully in the decentralized future, it needs builders, not just users. By training over 1,000 developers, introducing thousands more to Web3, and creating a physical hub with accommodation and expanding facilities, Web3bridge is investing in Africa's technical sovereignty, and that ripple effect goes beyond individual careers. It influences startups, protocols, local innovation, global competitiveness. Long after market cycles fade, long after headlines move on to the next trend, the builders remain. Inside this expanding facility in Lagos, young Africans are choosing discipline over distraction, craft over clout, depth over noise. They are not just learning how to write smart contracts, they are learning how to think. Like engineers responsible for infrastructure the world may one day rely on. Web3bridge is not promising overnight success. It is doing something far more important. It is building capacity, and in doing so, it is quietly positioning Africa not at the edge of the decentralized future, but inside its foundation.